Hello. Welcome back, my data monkeys. This is the third video of my SQL for Analytics series. Today we're taking a look at 5 SQL operators: in, not, is null, like, and between. So, what are we waiting for? Well, we're waiting for some data. So let's go back to the comfort of our Pokemon table. Nice little select star. And that's what it looks like. Let's say that I have a team of 5 Pokemons and I want to see all the data available about them. In the where clause, I can isolate them using ORs. Charizard, or Articuno, or Snorlax, or Dragonair, or Mewtwo. It does the job, but there's a more concise way to go about this. How? Using the in, like so. We need brackets. We're gonna separate the values with commas. And finally, we're gonna finish it off with the in keyword. Same results. Swiftly moving on to the next operator, not. Here it is, combined with in. Not basically transforms a true condition into a false condition, and vice versa. Cool. New question. I want to see all the fire type Pokemons. Alright, let me rephrase. I want to see all the Pokemons that are exclusively of type fire. I don't want to see no fire/flying Pokemons. The solution? Add the condition is null to the column type 2. There we go. And just like we did with in, we can combine is null with not. These are the only 2 fire-type Pokemons that have a secondary type. Cool. I feel like we need a change of scenery. Let's go back to our Star Wars characters table. That's what it looks like. Okay. The next operator is called like. You can use it to find out if a string contains or doesn't contain a substring. First example, I want to see all the characters whose first name starts with a capital L. The % sign is the wildcard. It represents any character. That's why we get Luke, Leia, and Lando in our output. Example 2 with all the first names that end with an A. % sign at the beginning, lowercase a at the end. Yep, Leia is the only one. Third example, first names that contain the lowercase a. You've guessed it, % sign A, % sign. And we get these 4 characters. And as many other things, like can also be combined with not. These are the first names that don't contain a lowercase a. Cool. For the last operator, let's take a look at a new table. It shows the number of views by video, by device, by date on my channel, in my dreams. Question: I want to see all the mobile views that I got between the 1st of June and the 7th of June. So we add a device restriction on mobile, and then we use the between operator on the view date column. You might notice that I've added the date keyword in front of the date string. This is just to make sure that the string gets converted to a date format. In most cases, you don't really need it. I'm just doing it here for the show. There we go. Alright, before we close off, I want to show you that you don't even have to use between. You can simply use greater than or smaller than directly on the date strings. Same results. Thanks for watching, my data monkeys. I hope you now know a bit about our 5 operators, and as always, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment to let me know what you think and would like to see next, and remember, practice makes perfect.